Hi, H. Good morning. Today, Deccan Chronicle newspaper main headlines 29 June 2021, Tuesday. Nirmala gives 6.2 lakhs crore boost. FM announced new stimulus. This picture plays in PV stall in TS. Governor Tamilisai Soundara Rajan and Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, along with others, after the unveiling of a 26 feet tall statue of PV Narasimha Rao in Hyderabad on Monday to mark the conclusion of the former Prime Minister's year long birth centenary celebrations. TS offers for online classes. No physical classes will be held when schools and colleges start functioning from July 1st. For the 2021-22 academic year, Education Minister Sabita Indira Reddy said on Monday. The minister said that teaching for all classes right up to post-graduation level must be conducted online only. This decision was taken in view of the coronavirus pandemic situation. The state government, the minister said, has taken all the necessary steps to conduct classes via television on TSAT channels. Those students who miss the classes during the telecast can watch the lessons on the TSAT app or DD app. She said that 90% of textbook needed for the students have been dispatched to government schools, while classes for classes 3 to 10 will begin from July 1st. Classes for class 1 and 2 will begin from August 1. Next. Army files drone attack within Jammu Kashmir. T20 World Cup to shift from India to UAE. CM GUV unveil 26 FT PV statue. See this picture. TS Congress MP Uttam Kumar Reddy says floral tributes the portrait of former Prime Minister PV Narasimha Rao to mark his centenary birth anniversary celebrations at Gandhi Bhavan Monday. Former Minister J. Geeta Reddy and other senior leaders were also present. PV gave new direction to India's economics foreign policies. Singh. Baby with one artery operated upon. No district with zero new cases. PVT unaided schools told not to the hike fee. TRS equal my chappal says Aravind. Nizamabad MP Dharmapuri Aravind said that TRS was equal to his chappal and dared Minister V. Prashant Reddy to hold an open debate on the turmeric board issue. The MP was speaking after being stopped on his way to the Tallarampur Primary Agriculture Cooperative Society, where the BJP was holding a protest alleging misappropriation of funds. TRS activists prevented the MP from reaching the Dharna site. TRS and BJP activists raised slogans against each other. Police dispersed the two groups. Aravind alleged the Prashant Reddy was baking ganja smugglers in the districts. The MP also warned Police Commissioner Kartikeya because the police had prevented him from reaching the Dharna site. TRS BJP activists raised slogans against each other. Police dispersed the two groups. PVT asks for revised COVID care rate. Mom child saved after umbilical cord falls. IAF wishes to conduct its own probe. COVID profile tests free yet. IT corridor gets 4 link roads. 2 die after taking liquor. BJP leaders protest for robe. HC. Backward call classes welfare minister Gangula Kamalakar pays tributes to former Prime Minister PV Narasimha Rao on his 100th birth anniversary at Ujjwala Park in Karimnagar on Monday. Oppressed people got land due to reforms by PV Ajay. Navodaya schools available to the students due to the vision of former PM. PV is pride of Telugu's Erra Belly. Subabul farmer shift focus to farm oil cultivation. Giant mainstream DGP2 moists. Foresters narrowly escape tiger attack. Gradual increase in patients with COVID-19 symptoms. Mariamma's son gets job order. Congress tells BJP set own house on order. Two militia members arrested. Rain winds break havoc in Adilabad villages. Solar lights were set up for the convenience of the villages of Mallapur in the districts. Militants kill cop, his wife and daughter. SPO's son is in the army. IGP says perpetrators of this act of cowardice could be foreign militants. 13 years old gang raped in Uttar Pradesh. 13 years old gang raped in Uttar Pradesh. June 28. A 13-year-old girl was allegedly gang raped 4 months ago, and a health worker cooling with the criminals gave anti-aberration pills to the pregnant minor, police said on Monday. 3 of the 4 men who allegedly raped the girl in a village under Srinagar police station area of the district and the health worker have been arrested, they said. The incident came to light on Friday when the condition of the girl who became pregnant. Top Laskar commander arrested. More than 300 drones sighted after August 2019 long border with Pak. New generation Agni Prime missile test fired successfully. Twitter shows Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh outside India. India never responds to aggression, says Rajnath. DD Alex Dhankar has stained fast. Lens on interfaith marriages in Valley. US attacks Iran backed forces. Airstrike marks Biden admin second military action in region. Iraq Islam's airstrike by US on pro-Iran armed groups. Current vaccines effective against beta variant study. Wounded 3 hurt in 2 Chicago shootings. UK and US began Black Sea drills. Quarter funded full again for Hamas run Gaza, says UN. Italy becomes mask-free low-risk zone. Iran had to finalize on camera deal. Blinken meets Pop as US bishops dare Biden. Russia-China extend 20-year-old friendship ties. Swedish PM resigns after to trust vote. Aid of centenary China heralds CPS impact. China launches hydropower STN. After Jammu and Kashmir olive branch will pack ties normalize. Jammu drone attacks carry ominous signals. Who spied on UK minister? This is totally articles. As world keeps growing, India sinking, going back to the past. Financial focus on health infra children. Center wants bank to give small loans to borrowers. Indian invests nearly $40 billion in crypto assets. Guarantee on travel tourism loans. Dr. Reddy's Lab launches COVID drug 2DG. Emirates may resume flights to India from July 7. Game streaming startup Loco gets funds from PUBG FIM. Second wave impact Milder CEA. Skoda prices Kushasu 8. How does it feel to make sacked by a bot? Securities Tribunal stays SEBI order on Franklin Templeton. Rohini Nilakani to retire from own foundation. Games throws thunder. Hazard strikes in Belgium knocks Portugal out of Euro. CR7 Proda Portugal effort. Ecuador hold Brazil to enter Copa quarters. England Germany to renew as old rivalry. Langness banned for double back. Deepika reclaims world number 1 ranking. UAE hosts T20 World Cup. We have officially intimated ICC that the T20 World Cup can be shifted to the United Arab Emirates. The details are being checked out. Indian team touchdown at Colombo. Serrano bat clinches gold in 25M pistol. This is totally Deccan Chronicle newspaper main headlines. Thank you.